Okay, so this is the telephone pole from our backyard. It's right outside our backyard. If you can tell. Oh! There is baby birds right up there in that nest. We've been watching them every day. We're not sure if there's somebody we need to call or what. My husband doesn't think there's much we can do.
I named them.
But the mama bird is rarely ever there. Ah, sorry.
Which concerns me.
Which concerns both of us, yeah. I'm trying to get it to... Sheesh! Trying to get it to focus.
When they tilt their head, when they all pop out, I'll tell you what their names are. So I'll be able to see it.
She just randomly named them. I think they've been moving around and she doesn't really know which one is which, but...
They have things. Lily has a little spot on her beak. Bob,
How can you see their beaks from here?
I have binoculars.
That suck.
Give me that. I can see them.
Let me see.
We'll take it off right there.
Silly. Huh.
The one you guys can actually see is Lily. Oh, you can see Treasure too, kind of. Treasure's all the way to the right. And Lily's the one with her kind of head out. The one moving her head. That's Lily.
We're trying to catch their first flight. Like the first time the baby bird flies out of the nest or whatever. But we're not sure when that will be. They do seem to have a lot of feathers.
And they look like they're trying to fly.
And they keep opening their wings. Yeah. Spreading them like they're gonna fly, but they just lay back down or sit back down or whatever.
I'm concerned. It looks like it's gonna rain. What was that fall? I can't tell.
I don't know. It is June, so
Summertime, so I don't think it's gonna rain, but it is kind of cold.
it's windy. It's not cold.
If you hear
Of course,
if you hear any dogs barking, that's probably our dogs. There are dogs like all
Yeah.
around us.
Yeah, we have dogs all around us. Our dogs, neighbors' dogs.
What's Riley doing? She's doing nothing. She's just like.
I'm sorry, this isn't a more exciting video. I just thought it was really cute to see the baby birds, and animal lovers would love to see them. Maybe tell us if there's anything we can do to relocate them so they're not on the telephone pole.
Yeah, like somebody has a.
I don't know if they're hurting anything. I don't know if
Anything's
they're safe. That's just our concern is their safety.
Does anybody have a 50-foot ladder? 50 foot, maybe?
Well, the firefighters would be able to get them down, but I don't know. How safely they can get them down, because the baby birds might freak out, or mama might freak out and peck them. Peck the firefighter.
I don't think the babies would pet them, because they
I don't
can
know.
see us. Like,
Yeah, but we're way down here and they're way up there. They haven't come down, so.
the babies.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
I think they're more afraid of us than they're afraid of. I think they're more afraid of us than we're afraid of them.
Did I say they were baby crows?
Yeah, I think so.
I meant baby ravens. They're baby ravens. Mama will come back sometime soon. She comes back about every 30 minutes and feeds them. Or she sits up top and just kind of, well, some bird comes back about every 30 minutes.
Look! Lily's standing up. Is that Lily?
I don't know.
Yes, that is Lily. Yeah, she sits right back down. Okay.
Y'all saw it though.
She was
It was clear as day on the camera.
Was it really?
Yep.
I'm looking at the camera and I'm looking through my binoculars too. Oh. Yeah, if you look at that, I've
What are you chasing, baby girl? Huh? Oh, she kissed my cheek. Oh.
tongue kissed your cheek.
Slobber.
No, sir.
One of them's getting ready to stand up, or is starting to stand up. I'm not sure. I think I said pretty much the same thing. Starting to and getting ready to.
Yes.
That's not what I meant.
But it was like the
I
same
meant,
thing.
I meant is already standing up or getting ready to.
You would see their heads if they were standing. You would see like their whole body except for their feet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the funny thing with Treasure is he'll like come to an edge and he'll like look up at the wire.
How long's this been here for? I noticed it about a week ago.
I noticed it like a while ago. I don't know. It's just I saw the nest, but I didn't see any baby birds in it. Yeah.
They were probably just eggs at that time.
Yeah. How long did it take for baby birds to hatch?
I don't know.
Somebody tell us how long it takes for baby birds to hatch.
Baby ravens.
Yeah, baby ravens.
Just in case the type of bird makes more of a difference.
Yeah, I think so. Ooh.
So I'm just saying, blue jays could be super quick and ravens could take super long, or the other way around.
I saw a little beak peck up.
I thought I did too, but I'm not sure.
I can see Treasure. If you keep seeing this little beak over here, past the little...
Mama birdie!
Come here so I can show everybody who your babies are.
It was so weird. because we recorded a video earlier. I have since deleted it. I don't know why. I meant to keep it, but I was trying to make room on my phone. But every time we would say "Mama bird," it sounded like the baby bird was going "Mama, Mama." It was cute.
There's a little bird on the wire up here, and it's just like, what are you doing?
There's little tiny birds that keep coming and looking at the babies like, oh, you're so cute.
I think that's a blue-nosed, I can't think of what it's called.
So no, those are not birds on all 4 of those posts, obviously. Those are part of the telephone wire. The only part of that is birds is on top of that white cylinder thing.
Yeah.
But most of the time, the mama bird comes and sits on that middle post at the top, the very top.
She'll like stand on that one.
What are you doing back here?
Do you see the babies?
Huh? No. Not as well. I kind of zoomed out. Stop!
Just so it's more clear of the babies. I keep calling them babies.
Stop! I don't want kisses.
Hi, Goofy. What's up? What's up? What's up? Well,
I'm not being rude to my dog. She just constantly kisses and won't stop, so it gets to be a little much. Just in case you hear me getting agitated.
oh, who's moving? I saw that.
You can't catch the fly in your mouth. I'm sorry. You're not fast enough. Come on, Mama Bird. Everybody wants to see you.
Mama bird, it's feeding time. Your babies are hungry. They're not screaming anymore, but they're hungry. We're on our roof. Yeah.
Yeah, they were on the roof for a little while.
The mama bird is on the roof. We're down here.
Sounds like there might be another nest somewhere. Because instead of hearing the baby birds squeaking up there, they're squeaking behind us. Squawking, squeaking, whatever the word is. Chirping. There you go.
I'm gonna go look over here. Ah!
What?
There's mommy, daddy, whatever bird up here.
Look,
That's Lily.
they're standing up.
That's Lily. Who's standing?
It looks like they're ready. I don't know.
I think she was just cleaning herself. Or she's trying to fill the breeze. If you can tell, there's a little bit of a breeze.
They look like they have extremely long beaks for being a raven. Oh, we found another one. It's an adult one on another thing, so I guess the beak size is pretty accurate. I thought a mommy or a daddy bird was supposed to be there at all times. You guys enjoy this video as much as we do. I know it's not exactly a faster paced video, but we are so excited for when the baby birds finally do fly for the first time. We don't know how long it actually takes. You know, they do look like they are full of feathers, and that's what I was told to look out for when they're ready to fly. But these ones just seem they're spreading their wings. I don't know if that means they're getting ready to fly or what.
She's looking at that all day.
Has she?
They all have.
Oh.
She was cleaning herself.
Hi, baby birdie.
Yep, that's Lily. Are you not flying, or are you just gonna sit down? If you can see near this white little thing, there's a beak over there. I believe that's treasure.
Oops, sorry.
You can barely see his beak. It blends in with the hay. Or whatever that is. It blends in with the mask. Come on, baby, you can fly.
Don't call her before she's ready. I'm not sure how long it really takes. Not that she's gonna really know her name that you gave her, but
What if she flies towards me? What if she sits on a fence and she's ready to fly?
I don't know.
She's just
But I will let you know right now you are not keeping a baby raven inside our house.
You're so cute.
Yeah, well, they grow up to be not so nice that I know of. Well, I don't know.
Well, if you raise
The
her-
ones around here seem to want to get in our trash all the time.
Yeah.
They try to break in our outside trash cans.
I heard if you raise them from birth, then they're better.
Oh, you see that?
Okay. The one all the way to the right is treasure. Then it's oh my god, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, and then Bob, and then a little girl, Lily.
Why'd the bird go there and then go away? Oh,
Not sad. It's like
teasing the poor baby.
yeah, Mimi. She'll do that. She'll like come up and
Sorry,
tease them.
trying to fix it.
She'll like come up and look like she was about to feed them, and she ran off. Like, what's your problem? What's your problem? You're teasing these little children. What are baby ravens called? Children?
A flock?
No,
A
that's
flock of birds.
that's a bunch of birds.
I think it's just called a flock. I don't know.
I'll be back. If they do anything good, tell me. If they do anything cute.
Okay, we'll see you all later.